All right, this is a 2018 Chevy Colorado Z71 with the V6. I'm working on bank 2 exhaust camshaft position sensor. Now to get there, I've skipped a bunch of steps, but as you can see, I've taken off the plastic cover, which removes from here, Gotta take the cap off here, and it removes from here as well. And this guy unclips. There's also 3 10mm bolts that somehow my truck does not come with. Right there. So what I did to get to it is I removed this sensor, removed this from here, mostly just so I could get my hands back there. And I'm currently sitting in the truck, which may not be advisable, I don't know. But the camshaft position sensor is all the way, let's see if I can get this thing to zoom, back here. And it's this, right there. Go. It's one of those GM red clips on one side. I simply took, there we go, right here. There. I simply took my 10mm, put it in, unscrewed it. You got the red clip there. Pull it out, pop another one on, tighten it back up. It's actually easier than I thought. Since I shorted you on disassembly, I'll look at reassembly here. So I've put the camshaft position sensor back in. I'm gonna go ahead and snap this little gray thing right on in here. Just a snap. Kind of a pain to pull out. It's probably broken. You can get a new one pretty cheap from GM if needed. And then I took this sensor out. Just gonna snap that back into place. Put this clip back in. And I'll put that bolt right back in. And then this thing right here, I'm not privy to what it is, I'm sorry. Put it back in. It just fits in. All right, and then there's a 10mm bolt here that just screws in on this side. So I'll get that screwed in. All right, and the last thing that we're gonna do is put this cover right back on there. Everything over here looks good. Got everything connected. And last but not least, negative battery cable.